Hello everyone, especially restaurant owners. Today in this video, I wanted to summarize all of our products at the same time. Since our name is AI Bunny, sometimes restaurant owners think that we only provide AI agents for restaurants. But no, we also provide online ordering, customized for your restaurants. We also provide restaurant dashboard and POS system. We also provide driver app, which is really important if you have your own drivers. And also we provide AI phone agents, which is also really crucial if you have a lot of phone orders. Let me start with the AI phone agents. We already have demo videos. I don't want to go into details in this video. Our AI phone agent is able to handle all of your pickup and delivery orders at the same time. Again, this is not only an agent that answers customer questions and then send pickup ordering link. No. AI agent is able to take all of the pickup orders and the delivery orders on the phone. Which means what? Which means it can make the address check, address verification. What is the distance? What will be the delivery charge based on that distance? So AI agent can handle all of these at the same time. So the second is AI agent has many other features as well. AI agent can remember your regular customers. So let me make a quick example actually. So I'm just gonna call our trial pizza here.
This call and your data will be recorded to process your order. You can request to speak with an employee at any time.
Hi, would you like to reorder delivery to 25 Lark Street just like last time?
So why it asks me that? Because I'm a regular customer right now. The AI remembers my address and start the conversation with the last customization of that customer. What is the advantage of it? AI doesn't have to check the address again, but it just can continue with the same address. Yes, I'm here. Yeah, I want to go with the same address.
What would you like to order today for delivery to 25 Lark Street?
So let me get medium pizza, half pepperoni, half pineapple.
Got it. Medium pizza, pepperoni on one half, pineapple on the other. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay. Your final total would be $21.06. Your order is medium pizza, half pepperoni, and half pineapple. Do you confirm the total and the order details and want me to process the order?
Yes.
Okay, all set. The delivery driver will call you at 838-333-0018 in about 45 minutes. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. I had given the permission of the SMS payment. I got also SMS payment here, as you can see. So I got a link right now. So customer will be able to go and click on this link and will be able to complete their payment from here. And I got the ticket anyway. So ticket is created right now. I can start preparing the food, but customers also free to pay until they are getting to order. They don't have to use this payment link, but they can use this payment link very well, and it will be time saving, right? So SMS payment is another thing that I wanted to emphasize. The third thing is, you remember the voice note at the beginning? You can request to speak with an employee anytime. This is also important for any reason. If a customer wanted to talk to a real human from your restaurant, AI will be able to forward the call instantly. That's another thing. So how can you monitor this ticket? So you got the ticket, but how can you monitor this online? So we have the second product, the restaurant POS system, the dashboard. Here is the dashboard for you. So here is the ticket that I just created over here, as you can see. So medium pizza, half pepperoni, half pineapple. So I can monitor the restaurant, the customer's phone number, customer address. I can print the ticket again if I want. If I click on the print, it will be just printing again. So maybe it's needed in the kitchen or something. So if you need more than one ticket, we can customize all of it. You can monitor the call history. So let's check out the call history. You see, this is the call record that you can see and also listen. If you want to listen the actual phone call, you can also use here. Go with the same address.
What would you like to order today for delivery?
So this is the dashboard that you can monitor everything. Again, you can also monitor all the conversation between AI and your customer. Instantly, you can just use this panel to monitor everything, all the chat history between your customer and AI. Another thing is, what about the in-person customers? So you can use the generate order tab here. So this is your menu. You can reach all of your items one by one. And if you have an in-person customer, you can handle that order from this dashboard as well. So let's check out very quickly. Let's say one of the customer get in the restaurant and they wanted, let's say, appetizer mozzarella sticks. It's for pickup order. You can take also delivery order here. Let me show it to you very quickly actually. So somehow if you have any delivery order that you wanted to handle from here, So you can go and click on the location, let's say 25. As you can see, this is Google Maps powered. So you can see all of the options that you can select, and this will be really convenient for the manager. But let's go with the pickup order right now. Someone get in the restaurant and wanted a mozzarella sticks for order. So you can just tap on the create and it will create the ticket in the dashboard over here. And also it will be printing the ticket over here. So this was the cash payment. So what if the customer want to pay by card? So how are we going to handle that? So this is the Square terminal. First of all, you don't have to use our user dashboard. I'm going to talk about that in a second. You might be using the Square dashboard already. So we can inject the orders to your Square dashboard too. But I'm just explaining the scenario that you're using our own dashboard. You need to use this Square terminal. I'm gonna charge my customer by card right now. So let's do this. Let's say your customers get in the restaurant. So they wanted a slice. I'm gonna go with this trial slice right now. And it's going to be for pickup. Now they want to pay by card. So if you go and hit this pay and create button, so it will connect the payment over here. As you can see, the payment is ready here right now. So customer can pay by their card. It will take them to the tipping space. I'm gonna go with no tip since I'm a mean customer right now. Completed my payment and the order came over here and it will be printed over here as well. So I have printed ticket for the paid order as well. What I'm trying to explain is you can both take the cash payments and the card payments by using our restaurant dashboard. So this restaurant dashboard can work on your PC computer, can work on your tablet, can even work on the MacBook if you want to use MacBook. Since this is a cloud POS system, you can choose any hardware you want. Just go with any browser and this is a website. You will just end up with our website and start using this restaurant dashboard. So this is really convenient, by the way. So if you want to use more than one hardware, that's totally fine. As long as you're connected with Wi-Fi, you will be able to use this restaurant dashboard. What else we have over here? So driver section. So if you are using your own drivers, this is really important actually. If you're using your own drivers, the manager will be able to assign different delivery orders to different drivers. Let's go. I'm going to assign this delivery 3 and 4 to the Osman right now, myself. So I was a delivery guy, by the way, for 5 years. So I know the problems here. That's why we created these solutions right now. As you can see, when I assign the tickets over here, as a driver, I can find my tickets on my application. So I'm the driver. I seen that, okay, 2 orders assigned to me. Now I need to go and take my orders. Again, this is your drivers. I'm not talking about the third-party drivers right now. So you can manage your own drivers by using this driver app. So I can see that I have 2 different tickets. What are other features here? First of all, let's say I got these 2 orders, okay? What your drivers normally need to do? They need to type the address in the car. They need to type the second address in the car, and that takes time. But right now, you don't have to do that, and you can go and just click on the address. If you go and click on the address, it can take you either to Google Maps or the Apple Maps or whatever the map application you're using. People generally use Google Maps. So you can just go and click on the Google Maps. It will take you to Google Maps and the road is created already. So auto road creation. This is really crucial. Again, I was the driver. I know the time wasting over there. So drivers don't have to waste their time on this panel. The second, let's say they take the order to the customer. What they need to do, they need to call the customer. Again, are they gonna type the phone number because they need to stop the car and they need to type the phone number, and which will take another 10 seconds. Again, these are really important time frames, especially in the peak hours, right? So they don't have to type the number in our case, and they can just go and click on the phone number, and phone number will be taking them to calling the customer. Okay, this is really crucial. They will just click on the mark as completed and it will be a completed order. One another scenario, let's say the customer, the delivery customer, wanted to pay by card and they don't want to pay by SMS payment. Remember, they can pay by SMS and it will be dropped here. The driver will be able to monitor that the ticket is actually paid. Okay, so I don't have to charge again. So the driver can monitor the ticket, whether it's paid or not, whether there's any tip or not. So all that driver report will be printed at the end of the day by our system, which will be really easy. So the driver doesn't have to calculate all those tips, etc. But let's say the customer wanted to pay by card when they take the order from the driver. So the driver can go, click on the ticket, and they take the payment over here. When they click on the pay, it will be directed to payment to the Square system, and the customer will be able to pay by card by just tapping their card on the phone. Okay, this is another thing really important for your drivers. Then I delivered all of my orders and I got back to the store. I will click on I'm available right now because I was busy, right? When I'm busy, the manager will not be able to assign any new order to me. But now I'm available and the manager here will be able to monitor that and will be able to assign new orders to me. Okay, this is also really important in respect of the restaurants that have their own drivers. So these are the details about the drivers. Again, drivers can start and stop working here. And can they print their at the end of report, by the way? Let's see that very quickly. So I have delivery 3 and delivery 4 right now. So my end day report is printed over here. I know what is my amount due, so I need to pay this amount. If I got any tip, it will be deducted from the due amount. Okay. I want to show you all the tabs over here. Another one is Teach Your AI tab here. Let me open this panel actually to show you better. Okay, Teach Your AI tab. This is my favorite tab. This is beta right now. I'm gonna talk about what does it mean in a second. So this is the place that you can teach your AI anything you want. So if you hire a human, you can teach them anything you want, right? For example, something very specific related to that month, for example. We have a lot of desserts this month. So I want you to upsell this dessert and do this very kindly. So you can do the same with your AI employee. You can just teach anything you want to AI employee. Okay, you will be just writing over here, typing your request. Okay, I want you to upsell our desserts and please do this kindly. And you will just click on this Teach AI button. Why did I say this is beta right now? Because it will take around 24 hours this to be on the board. Okay, why this is this time frame that we need, by the way? Because we still need to check the AI updates. Okay, we will be just checking the AI updates, what the AI changed in our backend system, big backend system, and then we will just confirm that and the changes apply. In 24 hours, you can change anything you want. This message goes to your AI agent directly and it will take the right action. Okay, this is really cool. So if you want to change a price of any product, if you want to create a special, for example, let's make a special this week, okay? Large cheese with 2 toppings is $15.99 for this week, etc. So the AI agent will be knowing that, talk to our customers accordingly. Any change you want, you will be using this space for your updates. You will be able to teach your AI employee anything you want. What other tab here? We have report tab. So you will be getting all the statistics here. I know this is really important for the restaurant owners and the managers. So they will be making their purchases according to the statistics. So you will be able to monitor how many Sicilian pizzas did you sell this week, how many mozzarella sticks did you sell this week, etc. All the reports are here, and also the monthly report. What is your delivery monthly income, pickup monthly income, etc. Another tab is customer tab. So you will be able to see all of your database, the customer database here, which customer has what. This is also really important. Another thing important here, we will be able to transfer all of your current database to our system right now when you're onboarding. Why this is important? Because if your regular customer make a call, they will be able to get much convenient service. They don't have to give their address again. They don't have to verify the address again. So they will be able to remember by the AI. Another cool thing is repeating the order, which is really cool for your regular customers because people often place the same order. They repeat the order according to the statistics. I had an order, I just created an order. So now
you can request to speak with an employee at any time.
Hi, do you have any problem with your last order? How can I help you?
this is also really important. So as you can see, AI remembered that I actually ordered like 15 minutes ago and telling me what's going on. Is there any problem with the order? So it remembers that I ordered in like 15 minutes ago, but I want to repeat my last order right now. Okay, I want to repeat my last order, please. I didn't give any detail.
Okay, your final total would be $21.06. Your order is medium pizza, half pepperoni, and other half pineapple. Do you confirm the total and the order details and want me to process the order?
Yes, please.
Okay, all set. The delivery driver will call you at 838-333-0018 in about 45 minutes. Enjoy your meal.
So in just 20-25 seconds, your regular customers, especially those place the same order each and every time. This is another extra feature that people, I think, would love. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the next tab right now, the employees tab. So all of your employees, not only drivers, all of your employees will be able to clock in and clock out from this tab. And my weekly report can be printed by the manager to create a payment. So here is my weekly report right now. As a manager, I can pay my employee based on this report. And the menu photos, I will be talking about what are these menu photos. Okay, another important product is online ordering website. Let me show that to you very quickly. So this is the dashboard of one of the restaurants. From your website, we will be taking to customers to this website. What is the difference? So the difference is you don't have to pay high commission fee as you pay to the third parties like some guys, as you know. You can check out our pricing right now on our website. So it's really useful restaurant website for you, for the online ordering. So what is the advantages? Do you see the pictures? Do you see these photographs? All these are AI generated. Okay, you don't have to spend a lot of money on the professional lighting, on the professional camera. Everything is now handled by AI very well according to your product details. So these are not scam or something like that. These photographs are created based on your exact product details. Okay, this is really crucial. One another thing is we will provide all of these products when we are onboarding your restaurant. Okay, we will be just handling them all based on your product details again. But if you do not like any of them, you will be able to go to your dashboard and change any photograph you want. You can go here and change any photograph that you don't like. So you can just upload a photograph, or you can let us know from the Teach AI section. So you can say, please put 1 cup of blue cheese, side of the mozzarella sticks in my photograph, and we will be regenerating for that professional photograph for your product. Okay, so our customer support will be handling all of those. So again, all other technology here is really important. Tracking the order, your customers, regulars will be able to track their order, will be able to repeat their order also on this website too. So this is really cutting edge AI powered modern website that you will be able to use and race against the big fishes. Okay, all those big fishes like a Domino's, all others, does have very professional website, and they're taking the advantage of that too. Why? Because they have a lot of money to spend on the professional photographers, professional lighting stuff, etc. But now it's easy peasy, and you can take the advantage as a local business, as a local restaurant, and can have similar and actually better professional websites for your local restaurant. That's available right now. That's really easy to create right now. Just let us know. Okay, just check out our pricing. You will be seeing the lowest pricing again for the online ordering as well. Again, this is integrated with our AI phone agent. If a customer places an order from this online ordering, the AI phone agent will be knowing that, will be aware of that. Okay, so let's say your customer placed an order online ordering and call the AI agent. Where is my order right now? AI will be able to monitor that and will be able to monitor the status of the order ticket. Okay, maybe it's on the way. If it's on the way, AI will be monitoring that and give the correct information to your customer. So based on the time, based on the status of the ticket, AI will be saying that, okay, your order is on the way right now, and estimated arrival is like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or something like that. Okay, all these different products are integrated to each other. Okay, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to summarize everything in one video. So online ordering, website customized for your brand, restaurant dashboard, POS system that you can use in your restaurant for in-person payments to in-person orders too. Driver app, which is really crucial and time saving for your drivers, okay? And also, of course, the AI phone agents will be handling all of your phone orders. I'm emphasizing this because I'm seeing some AI companies out there, they don't actually take the orders, they're just sending SMS messages to the customers that has the online ordering website link. No, that's not the case. That's not the case. Our AI agent can answer the phones, can answer the questions, all of the questions related to your restaurant, but also can take the pickup and delivery orders at the same time, which means it can verify the address, verify the distance, and handle all of the different delivery fees, etc. And also remember your regulars. Again, your regular customers are really important for you, should be important for you, and they don't have to give their addresses each and every time, because after their first order, the AI will be remembering their actual address and they don't have to verify again. And your regulars even can repeat the order and can just say, okay, repeat my last order. That's it. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Please check out our website, our products, and onboarding is really easy right now. Just one day, we will be just fetching all of your menu data and just updating and teaching to our AI system. That's pretty much it. Thank you, everyone. See you soon.